Hello my friends, so we've learned in the previous class tú puedes, tú quieres, tú necesitas, and we've learned the new verbs jugar, escuchar, e visitar, and also 3 words: el fútbol, la música o música, España. This is the last part of the third lesson, and in this part we're going to be done with the subject in the Spanish language, and also we will be able to conjugate the 3 magic verbs, and but unfortunately I cannot write here all of them because the video will get longer, so I've put at the end, or before the end of the video, the conjugation of the 3 magic verbs where you can learn them and also make examples how I make now, and so you will be able to use them all. Okay, so as we've learned before, yo means I, tú means you. So here in this class we're going to know él means he, ella means she, and ellos and ellas, both of them in English language, mean they. Okay, nosotros means we, vosotros means you in the plural form. Okay, so let's get to the first example. We've got él quiere ver una película, which means he wants to watch a film. Okay, so how we can say she wants to watch a film? Ella quiere ver una película. Perfect. So if we want to say they want to watch a film, we're going to say ellos or ellas quieren ver una película. They want to watch a film. Perfect. So nosotros podemos means we can. Okay, so how we can say we can sleep early? Nosotros podemos dormir temprano. So the last example here, vosotros necesitáis dormir temprano, which means you need to sleep early. Okay, so here we've done with all of the subjects in the Spanish language, and also we've done with 3 magic verbs here. And what I want from you to memorize the conjugation because they are so important, and also make examples like this at home and learn them. So let's get to the verbs. We've learned today él, ella, ellos, ellas, nosotros o nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, and also ver and dormir. And also we've learned una película, a film or a movie, and temprano. So guys, this is the end of the lesson, and I hope it was helpful and it was clear Thank you for watching and goodbye.